Finally. Hi, Terhi. Are we in? We'll wait a little bit. Hello, everybody. Hi, salam, salam. Welcome. I don't know why. I mean, it's anyhow. That's why I'm late. For some reason, Facebook. I mean, it's anyhow too. So sorry, I'm late. Welcome, everybody. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. I hope everybody is warm because قري بكله قري الله. كنت أني هنا a little bit, okay? قرب كنت أني هنا ما. Okay, so لما أنتي actually I want بزح حتى كنت حاتني أدل لما أنتي قرب كزاربة. I mean, you know, I can talk بزح كزاربة من ما عاد تزخ بالخيل جن. كنت حاتني بزح دل لهم ما بزحتكم سلا كل جزء تحاتني أب بإنبوكس جركم قلة so I want to make sure أبزحتني إذا نخلنا especially من الساعات تيم date تقبل لهم way coding تقبل لهم boyfriend girlfriend لكم حجي بزح تحاتني تخليهم okay Adhanet, thank you welcome 2018 happy new year so please حتاتني use this time إذا جزين تكملوا ندحر حتى لكم كل جزء حتاتني I like حتى ندحر بزعبة زين ندحر لكم حتاتني ما قبل لكم مالتي قربتن دبلكوان thank you رهوة راح يسبق على الدت thank you نخلنا آمين نخلنا so ندحر حتى لكم كل جزء حتاتني okay just قرب hi هرمون welcome قرب تعشمتات نتبتات راح يحيز متسألة له قن لومي بزح كتحاتني إلى دبل له مالتي okay because this is very important but عمي advice لزخنزي please حتاتني كم زو لكم so قرب كنت أني هنا and then كنت جمرين okay because remember بزعبا منتاي تزاريبنا نيرنا بزعبا فتح بقلعو انتاي حماق نقرات كم دلو تزاريبنا نيرنا بزعبا ناي مرعا تزاريبنا نيرنا and last week was بزعبا ناي new year new mindset هنا تزاريبنا نيرنا حجي خانو we're going back نافتي كل جزيزة سلا تحتني especially some young people you know the first thing is كما يجيرا خركب girlfriend or سبيتي so I will address that مالتي بزعبو كزاربي today I'm sure مزحتهم by now تفضلني هم تعنت انت عينت سب مخاني انت عينت ملستات يهب by now so كنا زاربينا okay but like I said حتى ندحر لكم please I like حتى because then كم زب لكم بيني أبزم الزرابة كبلايد لهون you know كلنا تحتى سكن بالمالتي of course بزعبات topic okay not بزعبة كله بزعبة نايلم عند topic مالتي okay topic Johannes is Johannes right yes بزعبة things that we need to know what we need to do قدمنا بمرعى مقتاو ناسي تي دخلنا نجارات كنفلطو زقبأنا بزعبة قدم مرعى مبلا مجمرنا مالتي okay how can we choose partner that's a good question we'll talk about that let's see is it I choose so? I don't know. I don't want to I think, yeah, that's a good question. We'll talk about that, okay? Okay, and then comes the colleagues sorry by the way لما أنتي أنا أقولكم usually 24 hours قدمي نقرأكم بزعبة متى خنزارة بينا قلة أجايش جلس لزلوا أو دعمت قلة so I didn't even know كأت today قلة but I wanted to make sure that I want to come in and you know I like to do it since every week لزخنا I want to make sure come over routine كقبرة so but anyway so we'll go ahead كنجمرينا and حتى نحرق لكم again just let me know okay Hi, honey. Okay, so we'll go ahead and start. So, the topic come to بالنايو بزعبة مرعى ቅድሚ ምእታው ቅድሚ መርዓ ምጅማርና the things that we need to know. Okay, بزعبانا بزعبات partner بزعبات كل نجار مالتي. Okay, now كل نجار of course أبزحات نجارنا خل جزء بزحات كل سب مستمر عاو بزح نجاري تخات مهار right بزحت مهار the more كندي عمتات بالك بزح نحر جر كاتمر عخا أني بزحت مهار مش وأزس بخافليت أيوة بخاز السب نجارني so كل جزء أنا انتهي كبل ab life anyway كل نجار انتهي حتى نفسي انتاي نجرات كفلت يدل نيره right قدم ممرعاويدو ولا قدم young خلو هدسي you know how I wish I knew this or I wish I had somebody to tell me about this way كنجرني كمهرني بزعبة زيتات كل جزء I ask myself كمو okay thank you عنده thank you alright so we'll go ahead بزعبة قدمي أمرعة ويقدمي date مجبارنا دي ولا code مجبارنا مش somebody إتخنفلطو زغبأنا and number one of course by now you guys know about this about me is gonna be قدمي خالق سب مفلاتنا قدمي خالق سب فاين مجبارنا مركبنا نفسنا خنفلط علينا نفسنا خنركب علينا because سلامتاي بزحت جزء we don't know who we are and كنتايبل if you don't know who you are then كم يجر كأخ تفلت نمنتر اللي خا نمنت بالله right ندمت أخ بلش ندبله نزمت أخ حس كا okay أخ تبل مالتي that's my belief in life okay ناتي أمنتور ناتي تعشمو أب life is نفسنا قدم كنفلت علينا أبدو هنا نجر كياتنا نفسنا قدم كنفلت علينا منينا انت عند سبينا انت كاركترناتنا انت كل نجر كنفلت علينا and this time is gize بيننا okay بيننا دلنا anyway this is gize natnan Mrs. Gabher mbalin okay connect mgbar that way actually God has given us this time to connect with him and that way we know who we are in God and ta'anat ba'damat zaribna lo nerna what is our calling in life what is our purpose in life zitat ndahar falitna dahray kaani it gets easier monety remember marriage is really hard okay marriage qalili diblakum sab I don't know to me marriage qalili itawad diblan sab is not to me that's not true marriage okay marriage is not it's not qalil it's hard it's difficult gin kalta sab ndahar falit kallaha can you explain about myself yeah I will always give an example for myself my life is always intentional as you guys will get to know me I've always been like this since I've been Tashmo. Always I had some kind of, I could say early on in life, I knew already what my purpose is in life. So I've always been working towards that. So to me, and I will give you an example, the same thing, mar'a. I mean, literally, it took me 5 years to get everything. And you know what I mean? I'm like, no, I got to find myself. I got to do my school. I got to do this and this. Then, but of course yes you could have planned كل نجار plan تجبر تخلها I'm a planner okay انتي تمهار كل نجار plan تجبر تخلها okay جن إزجاء بهر كأني ناتو نايبعلو plan كألوه okay ولا plan غير كاتبل كل جزء بزن بخالق دموت أخا نجارات كأسلزلو كل جزء flexible كتكون على كا okay so anyway مجمرة من مخانكا كتفلت على كا what is it like spiritually okay I told you guys I don't believe in religion okay it doesn't mean I don't believe in religion in time I believe is Gabher had amlach idalana okay and personal connection not nabzi by now I'm not into religion I'm into personal connection with God okay one-to-one I can talk to him and say hello God hello is Gabher that's how I believe and I told you guys I can go any church or any denomination and I will find my God there everywhere it doesn't matter so that's why كان من عاوكنا عيدين خالق كتفلت على كم من مهانكا okay اندحر فلت كم من مهانكا اندحر فلت كان كل نجار مالتي when it comes to money how's the relationship with money you need to know this كان من أبقلم تاكا نبع الخامالتي okay what are your values جنزب كميجر كتحزة تمرتين تاينا عها أنت عينة value لك دي ولا تمرتي تأمن دخا كل نجار right كل نجار كتفلت على by the way let me know if you guys can hear me give me something some sign or something you guys are there yes thank you Tanish I don't know how to say Taniswi yes you're right because if you have love you have everything okay yes that is my religion if you have love towards everybody it doesn't matter who it is who he is what their beliefs are that's all okay because God is love and he told us just love everything else I'll take care of it just love somebody كل ነገር بفقر ዝገበርካዮ بالله ዝገበርካዮ that really is everything so anyway so okay تسمع لهم thank you so find out who you are because እንድሕር ይፈለጥካ መን ምዃንካ then ናብ ድሓዙኻን ናብ ደበሉኻን ክትከይድኻ ማለት እዩ okay መጀመርያ እሳ كل ግዜ ይብል find out who you are find out who you are in God spiritually ገንዘብ ብኸመይ እንታይ ዓይነት relationship ኣለካ ምስ ገንዘብ ምስ ስድራኻ ኩሉ ነገራት እዚኢታት this is like I said እዚ ግዜ እዚ ንዓኻ to love or like to get married yeah we'll get there find who it doesn't matter isn't a sab'ain sabaytin you need to find out who you are this time is for you to go and have the opportunity laka go to school there's a lot of stuff that you need to do go to school develop yourself كل ነገራት እዚ ንዓኻ ድግባእካ as a single person the opportunity ለካ use the opportunity you always have okay because like I said marriage is really hard it's not easy so መጀመርያ እዚ ታትፍለጦ ቀድም okay because here's the thing እንድሕር ሰኻ ደይፈልጥካዮ ነብስኻ ከመይ ጌርካ ኢኻ ነቲ ካልእ ሰብ accept ክትገብሮ because እንድሕር ፈሊጥካ ነብስኻ ከመይ ምዃንካ እንታይ ዓይነት ተፃዋርነት ኣለካ እንታይ ዓይነት ከም ዝበልካ ናይ ገንዘብ ድዩ ኣተሓሕዛ ድዩ ናይ ኩሉ ነገር እንድሕር ፈሊጥካዮ ማለት እዩ ዋላ ናይ ገዛ ድዩ ናይ ቆልዑት ድዩ ንኩሉ ነገር እንድሕር ፈሊጥካዮ then እቲ ሰብ ካልእ ዋላ እንድሕር መፂኡ hey ምሳኻ ከይደለየ or ክምርዓካ ደለየ ገለ እንድሕር ኢልካ then ንዕኡ ሪኢኻ ከኣኒ ትፈልጦ ማለት እዩ ምሳኻ እንድሕር ደይከይድ ክኸውን ኮይኑ then ክትፈልጦ ኢኻ because you know yourself not because እቲ ሰብ ሕማቕ እዩ not because እቲ ሰብ ሕማቕ እዩ ግን ምሳኻ compatible ስለ ዘይኮነ እቲ ናቱ character ወይ መን ምዃኑ እሱ ምሳኻ ስለ compatible ደይኮነ ማለት እዩ okay okay anyway بزعبة أزي أرستزي you should know by now okay you should know by now if I believe or not so بزعبة أزي أرستزي منخيد okay let's not get distractions okay anyway so like I said we need to find out this okay and always okay please don't rush trying to get in marriage please don't rush it seems like people tend to rush to get into marriage okay are you guys there I think freeze going a lot I don't know people tend to rush into marriage why are you rushing into marriage okay why are you rushing because hadarsi ab Allah ndhar atkhaya it's going to be there right especially hadar is not easy kun khul gize ilkata atwada la khaya this is forever towards death or you know that's it حنتيا and then نخلق زيت أتوانا لها so why would you قلتفكا تأتونا وقلتفكا تاونا بحذر is not good idea because نفسها فلتو it's سبكا فلتو كمي محاني okay alright so don't worry comes welcome don't worry about finding somebody okay سبك رخبا أنت أسبيتين سب آية قللك don't worry just right now when you're single how do you say سكابلي خلخا ننفسخا كتفلت ألكا إزي جزيزي ننفسخا كتفلت ألكا قبل مالتي use that time ننفسخا كتفلت ألكا oh thank you Murat thank you okay so find yourself don't worry about finding somebody because you know what in the herfelit kayo at the right time you will find that person okay you will find that person so don't rush into marriage is not something قلتفك أتخا دهون نجر قلتفك عند أتخايو قلتفك أني تأشمي هون مش سلامتهاي because جزيها وسيدك أي فلت كان تسبك أني okay مبزحت جزء المزحت جزيها أني we're worried about نتسبك فلت وهي أبز جزء عدمتات نمل right عدما نرئي أن نزل سبدي رخبكوا أو boyfriend day باللي دو girlfriend day باللي قالوا ملا نبل right alright مر عاهم كنز عدما جرى قلا but first you have to find yourself. Comes welcome. Think about it. You think finding somebody is hard. You think nasab katahato is hard. You know, sometimes it's really hard for somebody katawo. You know, like sometimes مبزحت إجازة درخبة by the way. أبزي تاش messenger قالت سدلي كم يجرى نقال كركب كم يجرى نقال كحتت. So you think it's so hard, right? If you think نقال محتات is hard, if you think finding somebody is hard, wait until you get to marriage. Okay? Marriage is hard. So قدمينا وخمان مبالكا إذا تارك تفلت لك. Okay? Like I said too, كل جزء اندحر نفس خافليتك. It's really easy. كل نجر أب place not تقبل. Okay? That does age help. If you don't find yourself, it doesn't matter what age you are. Okay? If you don't find yourself, it's not going to get tashma. It's not going to get better. Find yourself. Thank you, Thomas. Okay. Again, Ka'ani, when somebody, this is, I love this quote from Maya Angelou. When somebody is telling you who they are, believe them. What does that mean? When somebody is telling you who they are, believe them. When you're looking for a partner, okay? Always, find yourself. Always. Yes, hadar kalsi you. Rahwa, yes, it is kalsi. Kalteha tabulo nagari, okay? It's not kamzi, but yes. Thank you. But anyway, when somebody tells you who they are, believe them. What does that mean? For me, somebody, it's a boyfriendy, girlfriendy, somebody called, they're always telling you, they're always showing you who they are. Every day, they're telling you. But, are you paying attention? That's your job. Pay attention to this person. How do you, for me personally, how do they treat their friends? How do they treat their family? How do they treat their money? How do they treat their house? How do they treat everybody? Their relationship with God, their كل نجار, okay? They're telling you every day. إذا خطري أخلها تفلت أخا, okay? تعذب. قل ما بزحت إجازة أنا عذبني أنا زي. Just be, you know, be دقاوي ملك نات سبت رحت. How do you say? تم mesmerize كوينا or something. نرسعه. قل is very important. كما يجرم نعرفتهم يبلوهم. عرفتهم مسكودو بزعبهم يزاروا بدهم because I don't like that. Do they pay like عرفتهم مسكودو دم تتصرفوهم because they'll be saying the same thing about you later. Okay, for me مالتي بخوم يقدري. So كم يجرم نعرفتهم يزاربوا كلو عرفتهم من مسكودون جنزبهم. How's their relationship with money? Is it healthy? Do they have a healthy relationship with money? Or money سقيلهم يم تدربي وخمزي حماق relationship alone? That's, we'll talk about that one day. How's your relationship with money? Okay, we'll talk about arranged marriages too. But Abzi, we're not talking about arranged marriages. Abzi نزار بدلنا حجي. Hopefully مبزحت أبو تصعد دلنا قال نجر. Yes, تمسيتنا. Thank you. مبزحت إجازة أبزي مبزحت إجازة أبو تعدلنا hopefully يحتى قلنا نجار. Anyway ولا بصدرة زموت ديم ولا على عليه مهم ديم ولا قله السلندة جن ولا وندحمت إيش سؤالكم دهم تقبلوا صدرة ذهبك تعشموا. For me, that's not how I believe. Yeah, okay, it's a good thing نحس صدرة خلا عليه مها. Okay, that's actually a good thing. I don't think it's bad. Good, it's your decision, not a decision you. إذا سبزي أتخون ندى أختفلت أخال لك أو يكتفلت أخال لك. Okay. Because مبزحت زي رحت خان دحر oh hey حدا عركي لنا مو تفعلت يور تفعلت أن دحر لما that's actually a good thing, right? ولا صدرها ونجن قد من أفتمر عم توكا إذا سبزي أتخون الندى أتخون الندى ويخون الندى أيكون الندى الكاخت فط أمالك كسلمتاي اتحدر السخاء أخت أتو نا صدرها إنكا إلى مخا أم دخلن بري أوكي أتي حدرسي بزعب أب منقو خلتي خايدة حراي. Okay, so just صدرها يبومني الكام بال أنا I would not do it. Okay, I would not do it. You have to know that person. كتفلتو لا كانت سب مساخة دخيدي مساخة أي بني. Okay, that's funny. Marriage is a prison, said someone who. Prison, I don't know about that because life is about choice. To me, don't. Interesting. Jonathan, that's very interesting. You should not rush into marriage. You should not rush into marriage. You should talk about it. You should talk about why she feels like that. Why does she feel like that? Like I said, I would not give personal advice, obviously, because I don't know what's between you guys. I would never do that. But in general, you should find out why she's saying that, how long you guys have been together, what it means, and all that stuff. So, you know, how do you find yourself? Spend time with yourself. Spend time with God. Who are you? Why are you here? What do you like? What do you believe? What are your values? I can't answer that for you, but you should take time alone to find this out. But anyway, when somebody is telling you who they are, believe them. Never get into marriage or a relationship. Listen to me. I do believe in humanity, and I do believe in people that tashmu. But listen to me. Most likely, adult misbetsahna. Okay. Most likely, adult misbetsahna. This person is who they are. This person who is who they are. So please don't get into marriage thinking, oh, my friend, marriage is not easy. It's hard. It's difficult. So imagine, red sign don't think more stress, more responsibility. More responsibility. For example, like لمدتات or كمتي والفتات قال دبلنا يزخون نجر السون إن قال دخيل okay so لمنتاي there's a lot of stress, a lot of تعشمو مالتي okay so don't ever get into marriage thinking oh كأيرة oh مستمر أنا خد كأيرة قال ملا please I'm telling you that's not gonna happen. That is not gonna happen because remember you cannot change somebody. I cannot change somebody. And I believe in people, okay? That's my job. That's my job. I do that for life, okay? But I know that I cannot change somebody. That person has to want to change, not for me, but for themselves. So don't think somebody is going to change for you. They might نقرب جزء okay you know زي شجارة خجد فئة مستة خجد فئة or جنزب مدفع خجد فئة على خجد فئة because if توكس لازخونكو يفتوكس لازخونكو okay all right again I'm telling you okay خجد فوي خليهم because yes يفتوكس لازخون نتصبق سلادبلو again it gets stress مسكونة stress a marriage to you زخون تعش مسبلة more كبلي خانم so please so please always find out who they are and you have to accept them for who they are okay at this time you have to accept them for who they are that's why قدم مئتاوكا زيتات كتفلطلكا okay كتفلطلكا so for example ندحر somebody church ندحر ديفتو خاينم كوميتات ندحر دبلو خاينم سوسخوت إتكاخت وستوميخا قلملتات no find out who they are كي أتخلقها okay ندحركم إيتات تعشمي كان مليش كان what I found out is if they're not into it قال نجار بحيل ندحر بالكايم ندحر بحيل بالكايم مليشهم كماني تعشموا distract يخونوا ويناو تعشمي بالمالتي because ولا كمان ندحر كيدهم هم زوالكم نأخذ راح ندحري لهم كيدهم قرب جزء خبلوا خليهم they slide back they relapse to their old habits. So always find out who they are. Okay? Just accept them. You have to accept them for who they are. Most likely, adults in the same thing. Remember we talked about change is hard. Okay? Everybody wants to change, but they don't want to do the work. So most of the time, we just want to change the other person. Okay? We just want to change the other person. So accept them for who they are because they're not going to change. Okay? So can me a marriage متاوكا كل جزء أب حدا page خانة أب حدا مسمر كتكون لك okay can me a marriage أب حدا متاوكا نا مسأتونا أو كن we'll figure it out قال ملة قال no can me متاوكا what is it that كم هنا حداري خادليخا okay find out comes welcome like find out who this person is their money their relationship with money their relationship with their family their relationship with God their relationship with سرحهم سرح لهم ديو سرح له يفاتوهم do they even believe of سرح you know كل نجارات هذي كتفلت لك how is their communication do they actually communicate you have to learn to communicate please don't wait until you get into marriage communicate and if you have that opportunity learn and what I find is communication is hard because okay especially people don't like to confront things sometimes it's hard right كل جزء okay so for me for example I always tell you guys example for me the way I touch me is my husband we were together حمشت عمت مالتي قدمي نمر عمتاونا okay you know I'm going to say this the guys tend to be like oh let's get married for me anyway on my end oh let's get married and I said oh calm down you know get to know me for me always is like get to know me I know myself who I am and what kind of person I want so but I also want you to get to know me and see if you can actually handle me if you can actually handle somebody who speaks what they believe who stands you know what I mean all this kind of stuff so don't be impressed in somebody or something don't be impressed let them take the time to know each other okay for example my husband at that time you know he's like oh I want to marry you come eat out I said calm down you know let's take it easy okay let's take it easy find out and they're actually compatible and long relationship so this is an example long relationships okay and then up to مرتي أنا okay especially up to مرتي is going to be really important so to me my priorities I had priorities is sexual intercourse main factor in divorce we'll talk about that by the way ladies okay also for men for guys please you don't have to give your thing to be with anybody please for me advice is going to be keep yourself until marriage that's for me anyway keep yourself until your marriage why is that this is not religion it has nothing to do with religion I will explain this to you okay even and here's the thing even قدم حجي ولا تمرع خاد نركاديو ولا مسب نركا ولا intercourse نركادي قدم حجي you know سقاو ركب جركادي whatever always keep yourself okay for the next person whatever it is my thing is keep yourself Salamantai because sex complicates things okay sex complicates things why is that okay yes sex is important marriage you know it's very important as God had the bola nagari okay he literally said go multiply you know but kullu nagar ta'ashmulawa you know everything has order okay I will try بتقرنا I'm trying this so سقاوي ركب نفس سقاوي ركب كل جزء عين تهوى سلامتاي أوك أن ممتحنا a lot of stuff we need to talk about especially نحر نمرعى لنا نحر زح قبلنايو نمرعى لنا نحر كوينا نبقص لنا أبزي relationship زي there's a lot of things كنفلت أدقبانا خمسة أنت عين السب مخانو كنفلت علىنا again for ladies my advice is always please wait سلامنتاي بلا لغو I don't know what you're saying but سلامنتاي كم بلا لغو okay سلامنتاي sex complicates everything okay because it doesn't matter religious or not don't think this is being religious دخوانا نجر اندحر sex أبيل كالوك المدافلكا it complicates things sex مسجمركا people stop talking about the important things it just becomes ናይ sex ጥራሕ እንድሕር ተራኺቦም let's let's have sex ታሽሙ ኮሚታት ይኸውን ተረዲኹም ኣለኹም it complicates things ነቲ ታሽሙሲ ነቲ order break ይገብሮ okay ስለምንታይ because and the way women see sex and men see sex is different okay it's different women we're emotional كل ነገር emotional ኮይና ኢና ንብሎ okay so please come zid blakum sex site below first find out who you are first find out who that person is now bit khodlahum because like I say sex is kind of like the icing on the top of the cake okay كل ነገር አመርዓኹም እንድሕጽብቕ ኮይኑ it's sex ካኒ እቲ making love intimate ካኒ ጽብቕ ክኸውን because ካለ እንድሕር ስብርባር ኮይኑ how are you going to have intimate ታሽም ጽብቕ ነገር right you have to learn how to communicate you have to learn everything else that makes what marriage successful come to zibalnayo okay because yes come to welcome sex is part of marriage sex is part of hadar okay it is part of hadar you're supposed to have that okay good there's a lot of stuff that you need to talk that's why people get in trouble because ifom naf sex lazatu then kal ነገር is fahfahiatu what about talking about parents what about like how many kids do you want all this kind of stuff you need to know this you need to know a lot of stuff بزعبا حدار قدمنا متاوكا okay قدمنا ناب sex متاوكا because it complicates things okay and believe me if a guy مساخا اتودي ويتاغوال مساخا اندحر اتالا just for sex you don't need to be with this person and if they're there I believe me this and the her مساخا خون كوينت سبزي they can wait okay they can wait if this person is meant to be with you they will be and they will wait if they're not if they're going to force you to have sex and all that stuff they're not meant to be with you because it has nothing I'm telling you you should not start it with sex ካልእ ነገራት ብዙሕ ነገራት ካልእ ኣሎ that ክትፈልጦ ደለካ so my thing is always keep yourself that's my thing because it just complicates a lot of stuff okay and it just na'acha it's kibri na'acha and then the other person is and this is all for both men and women it's not only for women okay it just complicates a lot of things talk about a lot of stuff that you have to talk about and you should not be forced to start a relationship with sex and by the way if a guy really wants to be with you he will wait I'm telling you I'm an example he will wait okay he will wait it doesn't matter 5 years or 4 years or 3 years he will wait if he really wants to be with you okay and a lot of let me tell you something when I was in college a lot of people will tell you a lot of guys I told you up college kadanera mish habashay nabarana always and they will tell me we always had like African tashum gale so the guys will tell me and I would see them and I'm like why are you going out with this one with this one with this one and they would always tell me okay they would always tell me well this this is just for fun and they would always me myself I always know what kind of man wants me or I always know what kind of man want to be with me it's a man who wants to commit hadar dibil galamale because they know who I am I'm open with who I am so they would tell me what I learned malati of college they would tell me this is just for fun you guys are just they would tell me Adhanet you're just like for marriage they would tell me and I'm like so abzi fun ndagabarkum zi amzi andagabarkum so you think musaikat koni ikhum you think musai that's not tashmo so that's to say you can see them going having fun mizadits adat alim galamalatat gala but at the end of the day they want a good girl which is not fair for me to me that's not fair so that's just what I learned is that if you know yourself and open kamzi and then you will know what kind of man even wants you what kind of tashumo but of course you know, just because a man met is al-kaitabilnaha, okay? You have to know. And time mohanu the sabzaha akhfalt allaka, misay khayidu inta ana character allawa ክትፈልጥ ኣለካ ማለት እዩ so ከም I always say ብልጭልጭ ናይ ዝበለ ሰብ ኣይኮነን ክትፈልጥ ኣለካ let me see in here you have to know you have to for me it's like you have to live your life with intention سألك هذا ما تيجي زي تعيش مكانه you have to live your life intention نحجت راح كنحسب يا بنان كل جزء تعيش مكانه بلاننا okay so always if a guy really wants to be with you they will wait. Trust me. They will wait. ጽብቅ ታተለ ዝቀየሩ ካብ ሕማቅ ናብ ጽብቅ ታተለ ዝቀየሩ well መብዛሕትኡ ግዜ ተመስገን ተመስገን መሃሪ okay መብዛሕትኡ ግዜ they really come here nearum it just we didn't pay attention okay ይብላለው መብዛሕትኡ ግዜ sometimes ጽቡቅ ነይረም ሲና በሕማቅ ይቀየሩ ገለ ይብላለው ግን መብዛሕትኡ ግዜ we didn't pay attention እምበረ ኮሚዮም ነይሮም ንምንታይ እቲ opportunity ግን sometimes ኣይበልናዮን ወይ afti ሕጂ ንሪኦም ደለና ግዜ ኣይበልና ነርና ማለት እዩ እቲ situation ይኳን እዩ sometimes ሰብ ድገልጾ right so መብዛሕትኡ ግዜ if we pay attention ከመይ ገይሮም ከም ዝበልኮ ንሰባት ከመይ ገይሮም ይርእይዎም ወይ ይሕዝዎም ይዛረብዎም not only ኣብ ቅድሚ ሰብ ምስከደ ኩሉ ነገራት right ትሪኦ ማለት እዩ እዚ so pay attention ሕታት ኩሉ ነገር I mean literally when me and my husband were you know we were getting to know each other courting we used the phone we knew everything about each other I would ask questions I mean everything and you know me I'd be like well let's talk about this today so get to know that like use this time even in the hard day to go لهم who's this person oh yeah I don't want to do calling I don't like that because ብዙሓት ሰባት ይደውሉ and ናይ ካልእ ነገራት እንዳበሉ I do like the idea but ናይ ካልእ ነገራት እንዳበሉ I'm thinking get a time for you and but I will do that Tiniswi is it sorry Michael I will do that what I will do is I'll give you guys net I'm interested to Hong Kong committee I will give you guys I will give you guys a phone number actually to call. This is for the people who are actually really interested to work on yourself. When I marriage, I couples comes a retreat kala can gabrina up telephone malati. I will give you guys. This is more general idea malati. Come again okay? So if you're interested, I will send that message. You know, so we will do that. Because abzitat ብዙሕ ተዓሽም እንዳበለ ግዜ ይወስድ so ከም ገርና ሐነብልና okay let's see I'm reading abzi ማለት እዩ Samson I like what you're saying here but like I said I always say keep yourself it has nothing to do with religion like I said sex makes everything complicated get to know yourself كل جزء أنت أنا تثبيت تبلا للها don't get بزحنا بتعشمي تبل بزحنا بسجاور ركب you're gonna have that lifetime كله كايسو مستمر آخر right lifetime علىك so أدمين after lifetime متاوكا تسبزي كم مخانك أدمنا ومتاوكا السن فلت قدم okay ندحر استفلتنا السنيت ندحر علىنا ندحر بينا أنا خاني more enjoy كنقبرنا خانتي intimacy or you know تعشم مالتي our love life مالتي مبر بو ندحر جميرنا it complicates things and بخمي زارب الله like I said I waited so to me that was cool but مبزحت جزء ولا friends ناتي or clients ناتي دزارب مالتي بزي always you know going well yeah we did this now we don't talk about all we do is just you know we find and kiss and so I tell them did you guys talk about this and talk about this yeah we'll talk about next time دحرك نزارب لنا and if you're real abzi I always tell you guys I'm going to be real in here and the real konka think about it and the تعشمو and the sex جميل كخل جزء نابو يخاتبل right نابو يخات تخيل because that's just how you started it So in the you're like, oh, you know, hey, you're looking good, you know. And then now it's just natural thing. That's why right? It's hard to say Jamirka, hi Marty, Jamirka, then oh hold on the door, you know, and then let's talk about bizabazi. Okay? So kadmina umtauna bizabati important stuff Zarab. What can you do? Like, what do you mean, what can you do? Okay, Temusgan. So what can you do? I'm going to tell you what I did for 5 years. I'm going to tell you what I did before I got married. I finished my school. I had a year left my master's degree or something. I finished my school. I got my job. Literally, my husband and I, at that time, fiance, boyfriend, whatever, we would talk every day, but we would talk بزعبة important stuff. بزعبة important stuff. مالتي بزعبة متى انت عينت لايف فينا خنبل ماني خاصها تاشم كل نجارات زي نزارو مالتي. What's your opinion بناي قلعت متعبابية? What's your opinion بزعبة نايزقاب here? What kind of حدا do you like? Are you gonna go to church? Are you coming عينت زيتات كل نجار مالتي? Okay? نزارو لنا مالتي. We took this time. Okay? We took this time. كنفعلت قلب بتعشمنا also to better myself and then for him to better himself. Okay? أو خينسو دا سرحة دا بلا كل نجار مالتي أنا خاني أو سرحين دا بلكو تمرتين دا أتسألكو كل نجار. But we took our time to get to know each other. دخلنا نجار. For example, I'll give you an example. This is what I would do. By the way, I'm the one who would be like, oh, لما auntie will talk about this. I have 5 topics. Literally comes with the 5 topics we'll talk about today, okay? بخمزي what about Izzy? ولا كا magazine ديو ولا كا Bible ديو ولا كا بقولي. I'm telling you, I would bring something so كنا زارب منتي, okay? بخمزي نزارب لما أنت مالتي نبنا. Thank you. By the way, share قبر. I never say share قبروا. If you guys think somebody will learn something from here, share, please. Share, especially young people in the Allah malati. It's not only for young, but please share in the if you guys think somebody will learn from here. So I would say, hey Marty, so I would say get to know yourself because you have to have some kind of goal. انت عينت مرعى كلونا أو حدر كلونا الكتب المالتي تعبابي أقول عد كم يجينا كأنمي مقتاو كنا right? I always tell you كأنمي مقتاو كنا وهذا بالعلاقة كم يجينا كنبلينا بزعبة السدراخة right? بزعبة السدراخة تزارو. I always tell people, tell the person who you're getting married to or تاشمو who you are. كل جزء be honest. Be honest. بزعبة خان بسخا be honest because ندحر honest كونك من مخان كان ندحر نجر كيوم, okay? And من مخانم ندحر تعذب كيوم, you will not have a problem. Like I said, this is who I am. بخمزي إتحساس باي, كمزي نابراي, كمزي تاشمو, نابزي أدخي دلخو. This is my goal in life, my purpose in life. Do you have a problem with that? Do you have a problem with that? Okay? Hi Sarah. So do you have a problem? This is not a life. كمزي إخوون. Are you gonna have any problem بزعبنو? Okay, so you tell them this. That way, you فلتو لو نابية أتو لو, okay? نابية أتو خمد لو, you فلتو. So please, كل جزء, tell them who you are because Zahra, you don't want to تعشمو. Don't try to impress the person. Please don't ever try to impress a person and especially ناب حدار ناب قلن كونكا. Just tell them who you are. And her accept جرمها تصبو. And her accept جبرها هني. It's also تصبو. سلامتها. ناب حدر كي أتخا تقلل لها مالتي. Why ناب حدر تأتون ده her accept جبرها خاينام. And her you know نامنتها تبلع لها. Okay, that's why get to know yourself and others. حتى تكمل استي. Sorry. Okay. Let's see. بزحت حتى له. تعجستي. Okay, I studied. Okay, that's not about this, but I studied psychology. I studied counseling and community. That means family, community, marriage, you know, and individual and everything. So community counseling. Okay, let's see. Thank you, Abraham. رحس حد شامتها. رحس لدت too. How about external beauty influence after marriage? How about external beauty after marriage? What do you mean by that? Here's the thing, okay? Is the external beauty? Yes, it's important, but remember, it's wishti, it's character, natna, it's naisatashum, that's more important. Because remember, as the external beauty, fade gabri, right? Fade gabri. By the way, that's out of our control. Is gaberda benna inatna. طرح بقو طرح دحركون كأتك طفي أخاها وربع تسب انت عينت مخانو هادي سي زي ملك حتسبكا ولا حنت تبل عنها ولا حتسبكا تبلنا you can't take it to the bank, okay? You can't ولا حنت marriage يبل الكاني, okay? So what? He's so handsome. So what? She's so beautiful, okay? What about نحنا نبلنا أب حذر كما يكون يوم are you gonna have beautiful successful marriage? That's what we were tashum malati. But yes, I mean it's so attracted katkona like of course that helps. But let me tell you, it doesn't matter how attractive that person is, how tsubuk bedaget ashmu and the her tsubuk nay wishtawi tashmu day belum koinu the harai even so beautiful kalo kullu some beautiful ndabalum kalo abgaza higher like oh my god, that person has ugly character, ugly personality in the this has nothing to do. Okay? So this generation thinks that if you love a person, you have to sleep. No. Yeah, people think that. No, that's not love. That's not the love that's going to keep your marriage. No. If you love me, you're going to wait. I'm not sleeping with you. I love you so much that I'm going to give you the time for you to get to know me and for me to get to know you, okay? Love does not equal sex. Yes, but sometimes you're like, what? For young people, when I do like groups and stuff like that, they feel like they're pressured to sleep with somebody or sex kabilogale. No. You're going it the wrong way. Let's see, call it anti. So كل نجار this different kind of topics تمت زمالتي كم زبالكم بزعبة like for example let me tell you مبزحتو I'm gonna tell you مبزحتو السبات actually number one you think it's sex but it's not. Number one reason people divorce together actually is ganzab, okay? Ganzab. It doesn't matter abena addigala nagar. Ganzab is actually financial reasons is actually number one reason why people ta'ashim because somebody راح كتف يبل somebody خاني save بانجبر especially نحر ta'ashim خون كخال. For example, I'll give you an example. نحر I'm just gonna say Africa way whatever. دك خال عد نحر كونكا. It's kind of crazy. حبشان دحريلك حبشان كقليب لها. It doesn't matter. كابكال عدن نحركون كا أمريكا لها ويبتأشم لها right. سدراخ الله وخا أب عدديو قال نجار. So مبزحت جزء سلدي كتسددي خا or whatever مالتي. So كل جزء إزي كتفلت الله كان تعينت كلمة ممرعان تعينت obviously نحس سدرا لو خا تحدا خا سدرا لو ولا سدرا ده يقولوه نحركون إزي تات كتزارب له لك أدمي تأشم مالتي. Adhanet. Okay, you can send me, you know what, I will get back to you, Adhanet. I'll get back to you. I will send you, I'll give you my information. The messenger, by the way, I'm sorry, I don't read it because every day لعلميتي message said بالمالتي دركب له مبزحته أخاني كم زي attachment, you know, card قال نجار دارخبكو, which is very nice. I appreciate. جنكم أخمت أنا خلوا العلميتي أما عندي نتخلوا تسبد صحيفة تسد ليدا له كريئي كإلنا. It's very hard. So please, actually, if you guys can stop sending me cards, I really appreciate them. You know, it's very nice. It's very nice. Again, I can't نخلق كان نبغى كإلنا because me تيتات العلمي تيتات is like new card attachment, especially حاجة خاني Merry Christmas حدش you know Happy New Year كل ما ليو. So sorry إن حد سد لي على خماؤه كبلي كأنه but my email كسدل كأ. By the way, if you guys want to contact me, you can go to leapamz Adhanet موجزر عبرخي leapamz@gmail.com and you can contact me بو خاني, okay? because it gets really overwhelming ብዙሕ ነገራት, right? Don't rush to marriage. Yes, don't rush to marriage. So please just yeah, ሕቶ ድሕር ኣለኩም ሕቶትኒ, because ከም ዝበልክኹም I try not to, but ኩሉ ግዜ like I said, use this time to get to know yourself, to connect yourself with እግዚአብሔር. You know, መጀመሪያ thing that ዝገበርናዮ ኣነ ምስ ሰብኣየ ማለት እዩ መጀመሪያ ምስ ዘበልክዎ, you know, when I found him, like I said, so it seems so, oh, can I said, oh, no, I have my own natay plan alani, okay? ትምህርቲ ክውዳእ ኣለኒ ከምዚ ገረ እንድሕር ወይት ጌርካ if you want to wait ከም ጽቡቕ እንድሕር ወይት ዘይገበርካ ከዓ bye, you know. So you wait, get to know me, ኩሉ ነገር ማለት እዩ. Women, ladies, you have to have standard, okay? By the way, men like women with standards. So الكان دحر هب بالكايم, it's not, I guarantee you, I'm not أتازي نتم سوت مسؤول سري حد لكن لخواني. Men like women with standards. So الكان دحر زخنا نجر هب كايم, it's just isn't حت رخبور خن كان زخنا نجر. Why how do you say, why buy the cow when you can get the milk for free? Okay, have you heard of that? Why ma سلامتها نتا بعراي تجاز اندحر نتي حديث نتي تصبا اندحر بفري how do you say بترايد بجنزب كي كفل كان اندحر نتي تصبا اندحر ترخبو هون كاسي سلامتها نتا بقع تجاز right or نتي بعراي تجاز. Okay, so دخلنا نجر you have to have some kind of standards, you have to have some kind of self-worth. Okay, and the hen نفسها بعلقة ندحر respect that جبرا هونكا, don't expect كال سب respect جبرك. You have to respect who you are. You tell people how to treat you. كل example, you tell people how to treat you. Okay, and هالسؤال كذا إيش مخون كاس السمك أني سؤالهم كبلوخ. You have to have some kind of standard. You have to have some kind of boundaries. Okay, زخ جبرك إله إذا تاتكين جبرك إنه, because that's not my belief, that's not my value. كل جزء, you have to have this kind of stuff. Okay, so please don't rush into marriage. Don't think you have to sleep with a man or woman. It's about relationship. It has nothing to do with it. مجمرة compatible دخاخ تفلت ألكا, مجمرة ناتكا character انتهي مخانك تفلت ألكا. Okay. Oh yes, نبي, very true. Come over like that's why come even نرى. أب college كلهم ترى أخوهم تيم أوداتسي مسألم تقلي يخدو. Then they would tell me, oh no, I think they're just fun, you know, for fun. And you know, we want a really nice, good African woman. They would say that to me, and I'm like, that's not nice. That's not nice. Of course, I would say that's not nice. How would you feel? You know, that's not nice. But that's what I learned. That's how I learned things. So you're like, wow, you have to respect yourself. But here's the thing. But they respected me. Now I respect Germany. They know okay? Because the way I carried myself, they know that. So that's why I'm saying it has nothing to do. It's just the way you carry yourself. Okay, so kulli gize, you have to have some kind of standard. Don't go Mrs. Z, or it doesn't matter, Kani. It's not about ganzab allowo, it's not about education allowo. It has nothing to do with that. What about abzi? You know? So the same thing comes to the what about your mindset? Kulli negarat. That's why you have to know yourself. Kulli gize, okay? Ta'ana sabin harta bil konka. Oh, مرأة انتايو أبهيوت ناي جدن كفتسم زلوا ديو. Well, let me say this. كل سبكة, I know كل سب agree I جبرني بزي, and it's okay. Okay? This is ولا لا? Okay, ولا لا فكري? I will answer you. This is what I believe about marriage. I feel like marriage is not for everybody. And I know you guys are not, some of you are not going to agree with this, and it's okay. Okay? This is the reason why I don't think marriage is for everybody. Because especially we see ሰባት ናብ marriage pressure ኮይኖም ولا ready كيكونوا خلو pressure يخونوا ولا كمرعي دلني كبلو خلو دابلو خلو pressure no ده حالي تمرعو ماني تسبق خوني ده حراي قلمل دابلكا تاشم pressure تقبرم كمرعي دلني دابلو خلو right أبحما خاتتهم دلخا marriage is not for everybody. I really believe that marriage is not for everybody. You have to know marriage is a beautiful thing, but it could be a disaster. Okay, and at the same time it is also hard. Beautiful things are hard to get. The same things, marriage, beautiful marriage and you have to work really hard on it, right? So that's why marriage is not for everybody. Just oh, it's just gonna be roses. Just roses. No, there's gonna be sometimes come to right? So كتتصورس تخيل دخا إذا كل نجرنا نفسه خاتفلت علىك not because أبو خانا دخان push جرامها or كم زيل society سلا push تجبرك. No, get to know yourself. Get to know. Spend time. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. 10 دقيقة 3 دقيقة 4 دقيقة. Okay? It doesn't matter. And the نفس خادة فلت كان تعانى تأشم خادة فلت كا. It's not my age. Some people على 4 5 جرام they're like, they don't know who they are. So it has nothing to do مس عدمة مالتي. If you get to know yourself ولا age 10 15 كنكا, you can know who you are because you spend that time. You spend that time to get to know yourself. You use that opportunity. It doesn't matter. I mean, you could be, 4 عمت and still you don't know yourself. So it has nothing to do with tashmo. The answer is anyway. No, I don't think marriage is for everybody. I don't think so. But some people will disagree and it's okay. And the reason why it comes to every day it doesn't matter حبشة ديم ولا قلديم sometimes pressure كوينهم بالsociety ديم بقلديم young كوينهم قلد يأتوا مش sometimes كأني timing كألو okay so that's why we need to take our time to get to know each other, to get to know ourselves first, get to know each other, and now we can add so it's not for everybody. I really believe that. Let me see. Let me see. They're biological. Saw that. MEB. Okay, their biological clock is ticking. I mean, it depends. I mean, women can have babies anytime, by the way. قدم 10 قلة ندحر ريحايو مالتي تجزيتها تبيلي 10 قلة 20 قلة لومي ولا 3 4 5 women they can have تاشمو. Okay, so nice. What about تقول عسام تخيو if you don't know how to take care of the baby, that's not good. If you don't know how to take care of the baby, in the head حدار in the head كنت مسرت دي تقول كون كاتم قول أنا خمس تزرع من له بقدامي تاشم مالتي تسحما أنا عاتم. I'll try to حتى دلكم بتقرني أخذ صحفلكم يا دحري تاشم. Sometimes it's easier for me English قبل مالتي. It takes me تاشم جزء وستلي بتقرني حسبه sometimes as you guys can see. But I try بتقرني كزعربي لا يبلمش جن حدا جزء وستلي. It's for everybody. Okay, Rahel, you think it's for everybody? Well, okay, that's fine. If you think that's okay. More when you say marriage is not for everybody. Well, hopefully when I say it's not for everybody, there's the timing. Timing. We tend to push people. from تمرع نبلم. ورحنت ده بلنا لهم ده بلنا. It's marriage كم مخانو كي نجرنا يمس تمرعوا نبلم. Sometimes نبحمق إنا نأتوامكم جرنا. إن ملشة أخم لكم. There's some people just كمرعوا ده دلوا يسبالو. So why نحركن مرعوا كم زبالكم. سب ندحر نجرا كله من مخانو انتاي مخانسي سمعيو. ود سب اندحر نغراك الله مرعى ايدلنن ينعي يكونن اندحر سقع ريدي خون تتصبيو اندحر تفتوم كينكا تتصبيو واي ابتاشمو marriage hard مخان اندا فلتكاس واي نابو تتوم مالتي اوكي سقعتي ريدي زخونو تتصبيو you know let me see Well, we talked about this. What successful marriage tazaribna lenerna 2 topics kadmezi. So now I will link you so many come to when I will tazaribna lenerna bzabo already. So this is for you, the young people malati. Please get to the number one kullu gize khblakum is get to know yourself. Find yourself before you find somebody else. Okay? Age difference. Age difference. First of all, let me say age is a number. Okay. At the same time, come down. Yes, of course, age difference is going to make a difference because Salamantai. It also depends. It's sub kani b'chamay, right? Because in the head, for example, I mean, for me, and in sub ayin, it's the same. Mina hada amet kaman ayin bilnina, so it's the same. So it's easier for me, malati, because kulletena at hasasubana and galan kullu the same. So zukhane, it's easier malati. Again, marriage is hard. كل نجار لنا لو ولا سو تعلو أنا نحنا كالون ده بلنا ده صاحبنا خون خلي جن أبدو خنا نجار and her each other respect نجار بركوينا it doesn't matter أبي age لنا and then كلنا أتحسس بنا different مخانو can we have to respect that too. Okay, maybe سخا you know حمسة أخا maybe سا I don't know we'll talk about the reality مالتي أبوزحت ريو maybe سخا حمسة أخا or سسة أخا maybe سا ثلاثة or أربعة some okay حيشن بري anyway ولا سالتش سي عسران قلنا in reality okay السند هر عسران قلنا كوينا سخا أربعة دحر كوينكا أتحسس بهم is gonna be different, right? It's gonna be different, so you have to respect that. There's gonna be some tension malati, okay? Obviously محازت ناتا is gonna be ناتا عدم خونه خلأن نات كم محازت كأني كم أخونه خلأ malati, right? So زيتات قدم متعاونة that's why كنا زارب لنا بمبزحت وجزء أبز خمسة خنا بالكلنا already مساعته وإنا نزارب لنا so we have to respect malati. ثم محازت ناتا عند حدك عسرانك تاش من دحر كوينا مسي ناتك أني أربعة قلمة there's gonna be some tension malati, okay? So it also depends what community natka and ta'ayna ta'ash malati. And this is individually malati. It's a couple individually. It's a mar'a khama ibkhama gerna khana bilakhabullah, right? Because نخلو in general كبلايك إنه because yes كسرح يخلي especially ندحر لكاس ندحر أتي خاهونكا malati مس أتي خايو malati نبلنا ندحر أتي خايو سي أتي خايو ندي خاص so you have to be able to respect each other. أفتي بتي أتحسس بخا malati. ندحر أنا قال عسران قالن كوينس ناي قال عسران قالن حسب مالتي أوكي إسها ود عسران قال ودر بعان دحر كونكا ناي ودر بعان قالن بعسر عامت نحتب لنا هونكا تسخاد حلف كايو نابراتات تمكرتات أنا سلدي حلف بوا بويتات أنا كبلاي كأني right so there's gonna be some difference okay and we have to respect that and we have to talk about that and say okay then it's going to be really important and ta'anat friends sat kalona'im and we always should be hanging out with married people. I always said with married people because single in the herkoinam come on there's going to be some tension right there's going to be some tashamality and the her the عسران قالن عد ما حازت and the her لو عادي جلس خمسة لوها and the her مسأة خيدان see it you know what I mean it's reality at Zarab Dallahu okay they're going to talk about that and how that's different and tashamu. Different does not make hma ikonan. Different does not make mean bad. But like I said, كن زارب ولا لنا مالتي, okay? So إلنا خمس ديل age gap حزنا خنا بلا لنا. To be educated in partnership, to have stable. What do you mean? Like education means nothing if you don't know how to use it. If you don't know some kind of social skills, if you don't know, you know what I mean? You can have كل جزء diplomacy. I chose I just I don't know. Come on. كل جزء انتايبل. You can have degrees and doctor كل نجار. But if you don't know, it doesn't mean حدار كاتسبق خوني. Okay? ولا دقريتات اندحر لوها. It doesn't mean حدار دقريتات أبيل كلها. Okay? حدار is different. It doesn't matter كنا متايتا ماهركا ولا كم. It doesn't matter. أنت عنا سرحكات عشان ولا نعي كمان, right? حدار is different مالتي. كل تسب سلوخون كات متصدلها. Okay? ناي كلتس أتحسسوا سلا أب حدا تعيش من خون دلنا. It doesn't matter. كنا متى education ناتقلا ملا. Didn't always كلتها بحدا ندحر. There's always different kind of like ناي partner or ناي couples تعيش ملا. Different church تاتكم يجبريهم. After church ناتكم تخدوون ندحر دبلو خينام كل جزء زي تاتكملوا. It doesn't matter. أمنت عين church خد جلا. زخون النجار ندحر ناي couple نجار يبلو كل جزء take that time. Okay, that's what we do نحنا. Okay, and especially أبز جزء زي كل جزء على ولا أب يوتيوب كيدكم دخلوا تبللو مالتي. Okay, ولا أبدو خلنا نقدر نحد لي خابز جزء زي كترخبة تخيل خا مالتي كنت خاخون كاخد بلا تخيل. Okay, okay, and then كل جزء you have to be able to support each other. Is kissing before marriage okay? I am not going to answer this for you. It all depends on كلتها مالتي. I'm not going to condone, you know what I mean? نخلو تعشمي مالتي. But just remember, kissing will lead to. So تنعتك تعشمي مالتي, okay? So and I shouldn't answer this for you because كلنا ناتنا تعشم لنا. So just remember, kissing will lead to something else. You know, it kind of comes to develop. It has nothing to do with this, but you know. Marijuana is the gateway to other drugs, right? Kissing kani, it leads to other tashumality, okay? Two different things, but you know what I mean? Kissing leads to other things. So just remember. I can't tell you. I will never tell you personally na'aha tashumality, okay? But anyway, I have to go. أجايش على وني كم زبالكم رحس بعلدت رحس حدش عمت. Please enjoy this time. Get to know yourself. Get to know. Spend time with your family time. This is family time, right? So spend this time. Obviously, this is Jesus is the reason for the season. So we have to remember what the reason is actually for us to celebrate Christmas. What the Christmas meaning is about. And for me, I will never be ashamed of who I am. This is who I am. This is my belief, okay? I don't have to push it on you, but I'm not afraid of to say who I am and who I believe and whom I am, okay? Because b'zeit bu'u, I am not, okay? Remember, I always tell you guys, for me, personally, I have to be connected to God. Why? Every day, imagine every day, كله دسمع ነገራት ካብዚ መብዛሕትኡ ግዜ كله دسمع ነገራት ሕማቅ እዩ, okay? My mental health there every day. If I'm not connected to personally for my mental health reason, if I'm not connected to God, to give him that concerns that I get kap kullu sab, the energy that I get kap kullu sab, I literally have to be connected for my mental health well-being, okay? And don't ever be ashamed of who you are. I'm never ashamed of who I am and my beliefs in God, my belief in Jesus. I'm never ashamed of that. Why? Because that's what makes me who I am. That's why you guys, that's what makes me who I am. Okay? So never be ashamed who you are. At the same time, never push who you are napkalot. Okay? Everybody have their own beliefs too. Everybody have their own season too. Okay? So don't nahalot kaani. You have to allow them to practice their faith. I really believe that. And Salamatay, because I'm comfortable with who I am, and I want others to be comfortable with who they are too. So please don't pushing okay? All right? So again, there's a reason for this season. Let's enjoy it. Let's connect with God. Let's connect with our family, our community. I love you guys. Why? I don't have to have any reason. Okay? God is love and God told me to love everybody, and that's why. It has nothing to do with you liking me or unliking me or it has nothing to do with that. Okay? I love myself. I love you guys, and I hope you do that too for yourself. And I always say, find out who you are. Find out your truth. Then you will be able to speak loudly. It doesn't matter sab mani laka or menai balakan, okay? All right? Okay, so Merry Christmas. رحس حدش عمت رحس بعد الدت نقولنا. Okay, make this year count. Make this year count. Okay, I hope you're already, you know, علت كندا كنا لنا علت شدشتا كنا لنا. Okay, I hope that in New Year دبلنا resolutions the goals دبلنا. I hope now نخيد لنا. Okay, and remember كل جزء sometimes slip ups كلونا relapse كلونا and it's okay. It's part of the process. Okay, just stop. Okay, and think and do things differently. Fail now, we cannot just stop and get stuck. We have to get up and keep swimming. Okay, all right guys, bye bye. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.